Good evening everyone. The title of the video is Paru, Follow Your Dream. The video is produced by company of Hewlett Packard HP. HP is a multinational American information technology company. It develops and provides a wide variety of hardware components as well as software and related services to consumers, small and medium size of businesses, large enterprise, including consumers in government, health and education sectors. HP has only one mission and one vision. Mission of the company is to provide product, services and solution of the highest quality and deliver more value to consumers that earn their respect and loyalty. Vision of the company is to create technology that makes life better for everyone, everywhere, every person, every organization, every community around the globe. This video is focused on empowering the next generation of female leaders who are using their talent, passion and ability to create positive economics, technologies and social impact on company and in their communities. So this video is officially launched on International Women's Day. The word Follow Your Dreams video takes about 6 minutes and 1 second. The introduction of the video is starting with scene 1. So this is show the location of the video where it's taking place. And it starts with a wide shot of a ship sea route in Calcutta, when you can see the background of the ship with other ships, but it's only focused on the middle of the ship with people who are doing their daily travel in the ship sea route, such as migrant workers, students and tourists. And as you can see, the sky of the cloud is so clear and we can understand that it's the time of the morning that people in the city are going to work and schools. So the world scene 1 is take about only 10 seconds. Scene 2. Scene 2 takes place inside the ship. The ship is crowded with people of the city in the Calcutta. There are only one character focused in this scene, which is Paru, the main character of this video. In this scene, Paru looking at a book very closely and writing something very interestingly until she did not realize that ship is already reached the platform. So we can see that Paru is really focused on something inside the book. So this scene 2, it takes about 28 seconds. From scene 2, we move to scene 3. Scene 3 opens up with a full shot of in the room. There are two characters involved in scene 3, which is Paru and her grandmother. And it's a medium close-up shot to Paru, where you can see the action of the Paru and the reaction on her face. She is a drawing. From scene 3, we move to scene 4. Scene 4 opens up with a full shot of Paru's classroom with her classmates. The medium close-up shot to Paru with her storybook. In this scene 4 is Paru in her own world and continue drawing and writing on her book. So we can see continuously on Paru's activities, which she is a girl who is chasing on her passion. So this scene 4, it takes about 16 seconds. From scene 4, we move to scene 5. In this scene 5 shows a full shot of two scenes of picture. First one shows Paru with her teacher. The second picture shows Paru's parents. A medium close-up shot to Paru's maths exam paper. In this scene 5 is explained that Paru is totally focused on the storybooks until she derightment of her schoolworks. When you can see the face reactions of Paru's teacher and her parents that they are concerned by her maths grades. So this whole scene 5 it takes about 16 seconds. From scene 5 we move to scene 6. Scene 6 is again opens up with Paru's classroom with her classmate and her maths teacher. The madam close-up shot to Paru which she is coloring on her book during math class. Eventually, her teacher noticed that and confiscate the book she writing and drawing during her class. When you can see the reaction on Paru's and teacher's face is clearly explain the scene inside the frame. So this whole scene 6 it takes about 15 seconds. From scene 6 we move to scene 7. Scene 7 is a single shot of Paru's teacher. In this scene 7 is focus on Paru's teacher is start to look at Paru's storybook. She is reading that book and get impressed with Paru's creativities on the stories. She take her laptop and start to type the stories in the laptop. So this whole scene 7 it takes about 15 seconds. From scene 7 we move to scene 8. Scene 8 is shows a medium close-up shot to Paru and her little brother which they are on ship and going back to home after school. This scene is focused on Paru which Paru is cried and feeling broken because her teacher confiscate her storybook. In this scene you can see the reaction on Paru's face that how important that books to her. So this whole scene 8 takes about 15 seconds. From scene 8 we move to scene 9. Scene 9 is opens up with a single shot of Paru's teacher in her room. The point of view shots shows that Paru's teacher continued type Paru's story by using laptop. This scene 9 shows that Paru's teacher was impressed that she scanned and print the pages making into a real book by using her laptop and printer. Duration of this scene 9 it takes 10 seconds. From scene 9 we move to scene 10. Scene 10 shows a full shot of Paru's house living hall. There are 3 characters involved in scene 10 which are Paru's teacher, her father and her mother. This scene shows that Paru's teacher comes to meet Paru's parents and trying to explain about Paru's school matters and her activities. As you can see how concerned Paru's teacher about Paru's life and she tell the reason too. So the whole scene 10 it takes about 12 seconds. From scene 10 we move to scene 11. Scene 11 opens up with a wide shot of school stage with school students. In this scene is focus on Paru's teacher who is stand on the stage by holding a book. She was questioning to students about who is a writer and telling about the interesting book she got read few days ago. She calling Paru up to the stage in assembly and telling about Paru's storybook and give her the book that she convert into a printed story. So this whole scene 11 it takes about 14 seconds. From scene 11 we move to scene 12 which is the last part of the video. Scene 12 opens up with the overview shot which Paru standing on the stage with her teacher. Point of view shot shows Paru opens the printed storybook and looking one by one page with happy tears. Paru's teacher encouraged Paru to share her personal story using technology and making it into a real book. As you can see, the reaction of Paru's face that shows how happy she is, which her dream can become true. The video is end with a perfect inspired action and the story that perfect vehicle to touch heart. So the whole scene 12, it takes about 8 seconds. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching and listening the video. Thank you.